In today's video, I'll show you how to add a pin to your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. Before we set up the pin, it's important to mention that you must remember your pin, otherwise you risk losing access to your Switch 2 and the data on it. To set one up, head to the System Settings app on the Switch 2 home screen, and then scroll down until you are in the section called System, which should be at the bottom. Within here, scroll down again until you see the option called Console Lock and turn this on. Select OK, and now you need to input the pin you want by following the instructions on screen. Make sure you do this carefully to ensure you enter the exact pin you want, and once again it's important to remember what you input here. You should see a preview of what you have entered at the top. Press the R button to toggle viewing this if you don't see it, and if you're happy with this, press the A button to select OK. You now need to confirm the pin by entering it again, and this will set it up. Choose OK, and next time you wake the console from sleep, you'll need to enter the pin. You can turn off the pin by heading back here in the settings, and then turn off the toggle switch. Enter the pin, and this will disable it. That's how to add a pin to your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.